In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachment in Docusign, 5 minutes. We're going to walk through how to let your recipients upload a file while they're signing, whether that's an ID, a receipt, or any supporting document you need. Start by signing in to your Docusign account. Once you're on the home screen, click Start to begin a new envelope. Think of an envelope as the package that holds your document, your recipients, and all the rules for sending. Next, click Upload to add the document you want signed. You can pick a file from your computer, or if you already have a template configured, select that to save time. Templates are great when you reuse the same fields and routing. They keep things consistent and reduce errors. Now add your recipients. Enter the name and email address for each person who needs to receive the envelope. Set signing roles and routing order so Docusign knows who signs first and who follows. If a particular person is responsible for providing the attachment, make sure the attachment field you'll add later is assigned to that recipient. Customize the email subject and message so it's clear what you're asking for. A short, direct note helps reduce delays. For example, you can include a brief line indicating that an attachment will be required during signing. Click Next, add fields to move into the tagging screen. On the left-hand panel, locate the attachment field. This is the special field that prompts the signer to upload a file. Drag the attachment field onto your document and place it where you want the recipient to see it, ideally near the relevant section or on a dedicated page for clarity. If you have multiple recipients, confirm the field is assigned to the correct signer using the recipient selector at the top. With the field selected, adjust its properties. Decide whether the attachment is required or optional. If it's mandatory, mark it as required so the signer can't finish without uploading. Add a concise tooltip with instructions such as what type of document is acceptable and any size or format notes. Clear guidance here prevents back and forth later. When everything looks right, use Preview to confirm placement and behavior. Check that the recipient order, email messaging, and the attachment field are correct. Finally, click Send. Your recipients will receive the request, and when they open the document, they'll see the upload prompt exactly where you placed it. Once completed, the attachment is stored with the envelope, making it easy for you to review or download alongside the signed documents.